This is the flag of Estonia's capital city, Tallinn, 3 blue and white stripes. Goodbye. Wait, there's more to it than this. Strap yourselves in for a bumper-to-bumper ride of feathers, shields, lions, and an old woman. Tallinn, the capital city of Estonia, founded by the Danes, and the location of the legend of the flag of Denmark, first appeared to King Vladimir II, which led to the Danes beating the Estonians and... What? Oh, right, yes. This is the story of the city flag of Tallinn. Okay, let's face it, I can't make this flag any more exciting than it actually is, a white flag with 3 blue stripes. But the colours come from the city coat of arms, which is this rather bluey golden shield and plumage thing. Oh, and there's some grey-haired old woman standing on the top of the crown. This grey-haired old woman standing on top with a crown may have been Catherine II, who approved the coat of arms on the 4th of October 1788. Better known as Catherine the Great, she was a Russian empress who took power after her husband, Peter III, who wasn't Peter the Great, and during her reign she introduced a renaissance of culture and sciences which led to many new cities, universities, theatres and large-scale immigrations from the rest of Europe, the complete opposite to what some countries want in today's modern society. Oh, and she had grey hair. Oh, it's probably her then. The 3 lions are one of the oldest Estonian symbols, having been used since the 13th century, and comes from the Danish king Vladimir II, who ruled northern Estonia. The coat of arms replaced a Soviet version of this guy holding a key in a shield using the old Soviet Estonian national flag design. But apart from that, it was this, probably from the old commercial merchant fleet flag flown back in the 18th century, and comes in both a 1:2 and a 1:3 ratio. Exciting. Tallinn, which gets its name from High Hotel, as in Tall Inn, or Tallinn as it's called, has this rather impressive flag. This isn't a blue and white striped flag, it's in fact a white flag with a blue stripes, and the blue used is the same as the national flag, which you can find here. But if you're after more city flags that look very similar to Tallinn, then click this video, which takes you to the capital city of Montenegro, where you can discover the blue stripes on a white flag of Podgorica. It was warmer there when I filmed. Be seeing you